Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So as you've seen in the title today, yes, we are talking cup holders. There's plenty of people out there modifying their cars, putting turbos on there, manifolds, mapping, all sorts, you name it, they're doing it. Me, I'm putting in cup holders. So the reason I'm doing this is because in my video that I done about the 6 things I hate about the Focus RS, I did actually miss out one thing. And that's that it's got no cup holders. Well, it has, I'll show you those in a minute, but the cup holders are in the door handle and they kind of just, you put a drink in there, it's hard to get to, it's just kind of awkward. And also there's one in the center console as well, but again, it's not very good, and I'll show you what I mean by that now. So this is the passenger door, and then obviously as a passenger, if you want a drink, you can put your fake Monster Energy drink in here. Dark Thunder by Audi, highly recommended by the way. But yeah, you can kind of put your drink in here and it just kind of moves around. As you can see, look, I've spilt it here anyway, it's only water in there because I drank it all today because I was knackered. It doesn't really fit that well in there, so that is a bit of a danger zone. Down here, that's obviously the tray for the navigator. So because this is an RS, that stands for Rally Sport. So Rally Sport, you need a navigational driver with you at all times, obviously, and you need a pen holder. So that's like a pen stroke coin holder, absolutely pointless. And then Ford obviously decided that was going to be your barbecue sauce holder. Hang on, yeah, so they decided this was going to be your cup holder. Now it has got a slot here, you can see, look, little circle bit, put your drink in there, nice. You know, that sits there, you've got a little bit at the back for another drink. All that happens when you drive, this tilts back, spills everywhere, goes on the carpet, horrific. So let me show you what I've got. Right, so like most people, I'm on Facebook groups, and I'm on one for the Fiesta ST150, and one for the Focus RS, and one for the Ford Edge. Now, on the Focus RS owners one, there's a guy on there named Liam Kenny, and what he's offering to do is to make up one of these, which is 3D printed. So this here is a 3D printed cup holder that basically slots into that bit I just showed you in the car. It's got the RS logo there, that's been 3D printed in, if I can show you that. I'll try and take some B-roll for you as well so you can see what that looks like. And basically what this offers is that this should just slot into the car, fit nice and perfectly, and it should home 2 drinks and they shouldn't slosh about everywhere and go all over the carpet. So we'll get it fitted to the car. I say fitted, pushed into that a little bit, and then we'll see what it looks like. This is probably going to be one of the easiest things that I'll do to the car and actually fit. So in here you've got 2 little grooves, one this side, one that side. Grab your drinks holder, nice RS logo on it, drop it in, give it a little tap, done. You can't really ask for an easier modification than that to your car. I really like the way that looks. Be nice if it was the same colour as the grey, but obviously that's me being really fussy. But I really like the RS logo in black. You can get that in all different colours. Liam doesn't mind doing any sort of colours for you. I think I've seen pink ones, blue ones, red ones, all sorts. I just went for the classic black one, just easy. Yeah, so let me get a drinks can and we'll see what that looks like. Dark Thunder. Looking decent. So I say looking decent, what can looks good, but what I mean is when you're driving along, you know that's going to be secure. Now I don't know if it's going to fall that way. I've put hot water in this for some reason just to fill it up, so it gives it a bit of weight, and it's kind of buckling the can. So if you've got cold drink in there, that's not going to spill that way, but as you can see at the top here where it's full up, it might go out a little bit, especially if you're doing a few handbrake turns. Obviously liquid may come out, but the fact that you can fit 2 in there is brilliant. If not, you can have 1 Dark Thunder and then your favourite brand of filtered coffee in here. We won't name any names, but you can basically get a coffee cup in there, or 2 coffee cups, depends what you want really. He also does a little one that's got a phone holder in here in the middle. I didn't opt for that one because I just chucked the phone at the front there. So yeah, not a bad looking modification to the car. Is it a modification? Yeah, it's modified, but obviously in a rubbish form. That has honestly got to be one of the easiest mods that I've done to a car. Now, I class it as a modification because you are technically modifying the car, but obviously it's not a mod, as in an exhaust or a map or something like that. However, I've modified the car, and I've modified it for good because I can now get my drinks in there without falling over and going all over the carpet. Also as well with this modification, the best thing about it is you don't cut your hands, you don't start bleeding, you don't have to undo any bolts, you don't snap any bolts. It's fantastic. Just the fact that I can just throw it in the car and it's done. So a massive shout out for Liam for doing that for me. So I put Liam's contact details up above on the screen and also down below in the description. Give him a contact. I don't know if it'll work for any other Focus. I don't know if other Mark 1s have got the same sort of cubby hole at the back there like the ST170s or not. If you do and it looks the same as mine, then obviously it could be a good shout to get one of those for yourself. And like I say, he does the RS logo in blue, black, green, orange, red, basically any colour that I think his 3D printer can handle, he'll chuck it in there for you. Right, anyway, thanks for watching as always. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you're new to the channel, welcome along. I don't really do much to this car. I do mainly stuff to my Fiesta ST150, but there is stuff coming for this, so obviously if you're interested in Focus RS Mark 1s, give me a subscribe. And also if you like ST150s and maybe even a Ford Edge, give us a little subscribe. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.